Here is a quick Greek pan-fried beef with lemon-oregano butter for 2 to 3 servings. Total time 25 minutes. 400 grams of beef sirloin cut into 6 medallions about 1 centimeter thick. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 lemon, zest and juiced for about 2 tablespoons of juice. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat each beef medallion dry with paper towels and season both sides with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Heat a heavy skillet over medium-high heat until hot for about 2 minutes, then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and swirl to coat. Place 3 beef medallions in the skillet without crowding and sear undisturbed for 2 minutes to develop a brown crust. Flip the medallions and cook the second side for 1 minute for medium rare or 2 minutes for medium. Remove the cooked medallions to a warm plate and repeat steps 3 and 4 with the remaining 3 medallions. Lower the heat to medium, add 2 tablespoons of butter to the skillet and let it melt for about 30 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and the lemon zest, stirring for about 15 seconds to bloom the aroma. Pour in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and simmer in the butter for about 30 seconds to make a glossy lemon-oregano sauce. Return the cooked medallions to the skillet and spoon the sauce over them for about 20 seconds to warm and glaze. Transfer the medallions to the serving plate, spoon the remaining sauce over the top, and let rest for 1 minute. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley and a lemon wedge, then serve immediately. This is the final step. Enjoy your meal and remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more recipes. Here is the finished Greek pan-fried beef with lemon-oregano butter for 2 to 3 servings. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.